Hello. Today, I'd like to talk about a little tool that just came out from a company called Noise, spelled Noiz.io, that allows you to take a video and easily create a transcript from it and some other things you can do with it as well. Sometimes you have a video and you just want to do something very simple, which is look at the main key points because you don't want to spend half an hour or more watching it. So you want to find out a little bit about it first, and then if it's interesting, then you want to watch it. The way to do this, one of the ways to do is to go to this noise.io. Let's go on there right now, iz.io, and comes up with this simple interface. You can see they also have Chrome extension, so you can actually do it. You don't have to go to the website, you can just run it directly from Chrome extension. And let's go to over here, look for, let's favorite band here, Beatles history. Look for something that's a little bit, yeah, let's take this one. This is 25 minutes, 25 and a half minutes. We'll take the URL from this one. Let's see, get the copy of the URL, and then we jump back into Noise here and paste it. Okay, and then we hit enter or hit the arrow, and down below, practically immediately, we get display of main points in this particular video, which might be a little too short for your taste. So if it doesn't have enough information, there's other ways to do it. And I'll show you in a minute how. You can click on the second icon there, and it comes up with this timestamp summary of all the different things on this particular video, which is useful. Then the third icon here allows you to see the comments on this video, which if it's somebody else's video, you probably may or may not care much about. And then finally, the last one is transcript. That's where you see the whole thing, just as plain text. And the nice thing about that particular option is what you can do at this point, you can just grab the content by clicking on this copy button, and you can also share it with somebody else. And then if you go to our favorite tool for AI, which is ChatGPT here, jump into that and go to chat there. Then you can see that we can just type in, please give me the main takeaways from the following tips, and I control E to paste, and we hit go, and it drops. As you can see, there's quite a bit of text. I mean, it's almost half an hour. So we jump down below, and you can see it just starts saying exactly what it is, breaks it down to multiple takeaway points, what it's talking about. So this is, so you can look at one way is to look at it on the other display using specific time points and using specific short description of what the whole thing is, or you can go to a longer version and you can copy it and you can obviously send it to whoever you wish. That's how you take existing video, anybody's video, and you can quickly, in a matter of minutes, just get an idea of what it's about, what the main takeaway points are, and you can use it elsewhere if you need to, or you can elaborate on it, or you can watch it beginning to end. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Otherwise, I will see you next time, and I'm still Oleg.